Good afternoon, I am Manav Badlani. I completed my class 10th from Guru Har Krishan Public School with 90.67% and my class 12th from Chameli Devi Public School with 95.167%. I joined CH Makers in August 2023 to prepare for management entrance exam. I gave IP-MAT Indore, IP-MAT Rohtak and JIP-MAT. Along with all that, I also prepared from CUET examination from CH Makers itself. In my IP-MAT Indore exam, I got a score of 204 out of 360, in which I got a call from IM Ranchi. Despite all my efforts, I wasn't able to secure a final call from IM Ranchi, but my score in JIP-MAT has ensured me a wait list in IM Bodh Gaya. Along with that, I scored 728 out of 800 in CUET examination, and I am expecting a call from IM Bodh Gaya or Delhi University. I joined CH Makers in the IP-MAT 24 year-long batch on 16th of August 2023. For the first 4 months, we completed our course for quantitative aptitude and verbal ability. Along with that, we also had sessions for general awareness and personality development. After December, I took a 3-month break to prepare for my Vivas, practicals and my class 12 board exams. And in April, when I restarted my preparation for the IP-MAT examination, I sat in the S1 classes in which I was selected on the basis of my performance in the comprehensive test and the mock tests which were conducted by CH. In the last 2 months, which were April and May, before the examination, there was an immense support from Amit Garg sir, Amit Mishra sir and Sheetal ma'am, due to which I think it is a big contributing factor of my performance in the examination. Out of the 3 examinations that I appeared in IP-MAT Rohtak, I missed the cutoff. In IP-MAT Indore, for I am Indore, I missed the cutoff of a particular section by 4 marks. But due to my overall high aggregate score, I got a call from Indian Institute of Management, Ranchi. For the interview preparation, I was helped immensely by Ajit Srivastav sir and Ajay Bansal sir, who conducted my personal counseling sessions, due to which I came to know my strengths and my weak areas on which I could work upon. Along with that, the mock interviews which were conducted by CH Makers, I took participation in that, and I think they helped me immensely in my preparation for the interview. In addition to that, the academic sessions by Dr. Sandeep Atre also contributed immensely and added to the preparation. Overall, my experience at CH Makers has been a phenomenal one. The support from the teachers, the teaching methods and the course structure, I think they have helped me evolve both as a student and as a person. Also, there were instances that I used to sit hours and hours in the Geeta Bhavan Center for my preparation, for my queries. And I don't think there was even a moment where a teacher was hesitant for helping me with my queries. We used to sit 2 hours, 3 hours after the classes for the queries. A big thank you to Sheetal ma'am, Amit Garg sir, Amit Mishra sir, Ajay sir, Ajit sir, Pragya ma'am and all the teachers and all the people who have been a part of my journey, and a big thank you to CH Makers. Thank you, CH Makers.